From this lesson, liability and compensation, we have completed the first point A, basis of liability. Under that we have seen the three heads: employer's liability, then occupational diseases, and third is the bar to claim. Now the B point is the amount of compensation. It is in section 4. The provisions relating to the quantum of compensation are contained in the section 4. These provisions may be divided into the separate contingencies complemented by the section. First is the death, then permanent total disablement and permanent partial disablement, and fourth is temporary disablement, whether total or partial. We are looking to the point amount of compensation. First is the death. If death result from the injury, the amount of compensation is an amount equal to 50% of the monthly wages of a deceased employee multiplied by the relevant factor, or rupees 1,20,000, whichever is more. The first necessary condition to evoke the application of the above provision is that the death should necessarily have resulted from the injury received by the employee. There must be a causal relationship between the death and the injury. So if death has happened, then the amount will be given equal to the 50% of the monthly wages, or rupees 1,20,000. Second is the permanent total disablement. If the injury results in the permanent total disablement, the amount of compensation is an amount equal to 60% of the monthly wages of the injured employee multiplied by the relevant factor, or rupees 1,40,000, whichever is more. This indicates that the Act has taken into consideration the fact that the person who has suffered permanent total disablement is at great disadvantage and is a serious liability to his family.